Hi, David here. In today's video, I want to present our new product, Step Stair Controller. It enables automatic control of LED lighting on stairs. First, we'll start with the unboxing and I'll show you what's inside the package. The first element is, of course, the step controller. Next, two PIR sensors with 1 meter cables, a 5 meter sensor extension cable, a 30 centimeter power cable, and a set of accessories, which includes two adapters for the PIR sensors that allow for surface mounting. I will show you a general wiring diagram for all components. First, sensor number 1 and sensor number 2. Depending on the situation, you can use the 5 meter extension cable or connect the sensor directly to the controller. I will use this cable. Then, the power cable. Remember that the controller requires a suitable power supply with appropriate parameters. This depends on the LED strip being used. The controller supports 12 volts or 24 volts. And finally, our LED strip for each step. Each port is numbered from 1 to 16. Remember to connect the polarity correctly. Repeat this for the next LED strips. To demonstrate the operation and functions of the controller, I prepared a display using the maximum number of steps supported. One of the main advantages is that it has 4 programming buttons that let you to set the number of active steps, the speed of lighting each step, the delay time before switching off after motion stops, and the light intensity. Currently, both sensors detect motion, so the stair lighting turns on irregularly, sometimes from the bottom, sometimes from the top. Now let's move on to programming. To set the number of active steps, hold the number button for about 3 seconds. Then click as many times as the number of steps you want to program. I will set only 8. Then hold the button for about 2 seconds to confirm. Currently, the bottom sensor detected movement, the top one as well, so the lighting turns on. The second mode sets the speed of illuminating each step. There are 9 speed levels. These are the red LEDs in the top row. The speed can be set from 250 milliseconds to 1200 milliseconds. Press the speed button as many times as needed to choose the desired setting. The next function is the lighting duration after motion stops. 9 levels as well, indicated by the blue LEDs in the lower row. The fourth function is light intensity. There are 4 levels: 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. As you can see, Step Controller is an excellent solution for managing LED stair lighting. More details about the product are available on our website designlight.eu and at our sales partners. Feel free to purchase it and see you next time.